Hey, welcome to Managing Dashboard. Now, it's extremely important to know how to click around the dashboard. That way you can make your day-to-day work process super simple. Now, the team at Zeropark and Dice University wants to make sure that you know how to do just that like a pro. So we're going to focus on the features that are designed to help you build profitable campaigns. So what we're going to focus on first is going to be API and security. And then next we're going to dive deeper into managing a campaign, and then how to copy a campaign, exporting to CSV files whenever you're ready to work in bulk a little faster, and using HTTPS in your campaigns. We're going to talk about why that's important. And we're going to dive into blacklisting, IPs, ISPs, and targets in Zeropark. We're going to dive into the new interface, and I'm going to give you an introduction. And then I'm going to go over some beta features where you can look at the table view in full screen. So this is going to be jam-packed with a few things that are going to be major and impact for you, probably as you are approaching your optimization phase, and also they're going to be extremely significant during the testing phase. So knowing how to maneuver around your dashboard is extremely important, and we are happy to guide you through this today. So let's go ahead and get started.